Have you ever wondered about the mysterious entity behind Lunar Bank? A digital banking platform that's been making waves in the financial industry. While it promises innovative features and seamless user experiences, there's a veil of secrecy surrounding its ownership and operations. Let's dive deeper into the intrigue. Lunar Bank, with its sleek interface and enticing offers, has captured the attention of many. But who's the mastermind behind this financial revolution? Is it a tech giant, a venture capital firm, or a shadowy consortium? The lack of transparency has sparked curiosity and raised eyebrows. We've delved into the murky waters of corporate structures and regulatory filings. While some information is publicly available, it's often fragmented and doesn't paint a complete picture. We've reached out to Lunar Bank's PR team, but their responses have been vague and evasive. Unveiling the layers. One theory suggests that Lunar Bank is backed by a group of influential investors who recognize the potential of digital banking. These investors may be seeking to disrupt the traditional banking system and offer a more customer-centric alternative. Another possibility is that Lunar Bank is a subsidiary of a larger financial institution. This would explain the bank's access to resources and its ability to comply with regulatory requirements. However, there's no concrete evidence to support this claim. The role of technology. Regardless of its ownership, Lunar Bank is undoubtedly a technological marvel. The platform leverages advanced AI and machine learning algorithms to provide personalized financial services. This includes features like automated savings, real-time financial insights, and fraud prevention. The future of digital banking. Lunar Bank's rise to prominence highlights the growing trend of digital banking. As more and more consumers embrace digital solutions, traditional banks are facing increasing pressure to innovate or risk becoming obsolete. Digital banks like Lunar offer a number of advantages over traditional banks, including lower fees, higher interest rates, and greater convenience. However, they also pose certain risks, such as cybersecurity threats and potential regulatory challenges. While the identity of Lunar Bank's owners remains shrouded in mystery, one thing is clear: the bank is a significant player in the digital banking landscape. Its innovative approach and customer-centric focus have the potential to reshape the future of finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.